now people are applying technologies. Most of them. You go to any trader, he knows the technologies. Right? And there are enough people teaching technologies now.
Correct.
And they attend a workshop. What is their experience? They attend a workshop or somebody's conference or workshop kind of thing and come and teaches the same technique to here. Without reading in a book. Once I think in 2014 I took a class in here in Hyderabad. I recommended a book. The question, do you know what is the question raised from a student? Not the name of the book, not the name of the writer. He asked how many pages, sir?
Oh my gosh.
So that is a learning happening now. That is a pathetic, literally pathetic. So nobody is interested to read. Nobody interested to understand the observing the charts. I spent a lot of sleepless nights observing the price itself.
Actually, I wanted to ask you this question that what's your full day like? How do you plan your day? How much hour do you spend on reading the chart? How much hours do you spend on looking at the price behavior? Is there any set pattern of the day?
Yes, actually, whole day is my chart. I can say I watch on my mobile. I can wherever I sit, I always open my Metastock or Ticker Plant software. Always use. And for investment decisions, I use other software also. But always I will be in markets. Wherever I am, whatever I do, how much I am busy with. Even I think I work for 14 hours a day. I open a system before 8:30 itself. I complete all my works before that. Even my recommendations go to a newsletter goes to the clients by midnight itself, night 11:30. I think most of my students wait for that newsletter till midnight. And if there is any delay for that after 12 o'clock, sir, we are waiting here. Just please let me sleep. So that kind of situation comes. I work almost night 12 o'clock up to morning 6 to 8, 12 o'clock. I work full of on charts only. I read a lot of material. I have either e-books or original books. I have a bank of almost 2,000 books now. More than 2,000 books, I can say. Even when I studied also, my room is full of books. If some guests come to me, they are amazed with my bachelor life also. I love to read books. I love to read books. That's all. Only without reading or without studying, nothing will be learned. That's my.
So we have a lot of users who are actually in job right now.
Yes.
And because of all those discount broking and aspiration value which has been created, where people are saying that you can make a lot of money from stock market. So a lot of people ask this question in our channel that should we leave our job and get into market? Say for example that we have to tell them that these are the things required before you decide to leave the job and get into market full time. What would be your suggestions?
I too got the same questions in my classes. Most of them are either software engineers or teachers and bankers. And some wives who is well educated wants to quit the job for the children's sake. The only suggestion I can give to them is earn money equal to your salary for 6 months consistently. Okay. Then you quit job and do your trading. Trading is a business. First thing you should understand that it's not a hobby. Hobbies will cost you simply. Okay. And if you do a business, it also pays you like a business. If you are most of them are interested in intraday trading, not in investing and getting money or positional things. Most of them are interested in intraday trading only. They need quick bucks. But they don't understand that the risk is higher because they all trades in derivatives, which are more lethal than any other things. They don't have any system in place. And wherever you go, everyone teaches the same systems. Either moving average or some indicator based or some other things only. I also suggest them, if everyone uses the same strategy or same moving average or same thing else, what will happen? See, I teach all the traders here in the group. I say apply tomorrow. What will happen? Everyone will fail. Simply everyone will fail. So I will suggest them to you earn market. This should not be, if you are doing any other business, do like a business only,
Right.
not like a hobby. You are working and again doing trading means nothing. If you are trading, you must be 100% of the time in the market. That means not 9:15 to 3:30. When you enter into a trade, whenever you enter, you must be in the market till you exit that position.
Okay.
That is 100% of the time. So,
But then if I'm doing a job and I still have to wait for the right time to leave my job, then how will I trade full day or
no.
I'll be part
Then
of
you
it?
need to change your time frames, not intraday.
Oh, okay. Then intraday is not the right
Not
time
the
frame
right.
for a job.
Yeah.
Okay.
So there is very people misled by time frames. Suppose I don't get time to analyze the markets on intraday basis.
Correct.
I am doing other job. So change your time frame. Don't trade in a minute's time frames.
Okay.
Come to hourly and daily charts.
Okay.
Identify your entry exit levels.
Right.
That gives the entry at the same time stop loss and the targets. And that also some techniques will also know your targets very prior to them. And always follow the risk reward ratios 1:2.
Okay.
That's a basic minimum. So tell the order in the morning. At the same time, you also tell your broker for the stop loss and go ahead your job and do it.
So is it like for someone who is doing a job, do your homework at the end of the day?
Yes.
Find
EOD
out
charts.
stocks where you would like to participate next
Yes,
day.
yes.
And then in the morning, execute the orders or
Yeah.
inform the broker, whatever the case may be,
Yeah.
and then get into your job.
Yes, that's
Don't
all.
look at the price on the
No,
time
no,
basis.
no live charts at all.
Okay.
For any job, anybody who is doing jobs, and this is only a business for them, like a side business. It's
And
not
they
an
want
hobby.
to. It's basically an experiment
Yes.
to evaluate whether this is the right thing for me or not. So it's a transition.
Yes,
So that in that transition, is this the right strategy?
yes, exactly.
Okay.
And most of the cases, I also suggest for emotional people avoid the derivatives
Okay.
like futures trading, because you get money more because you are entering a stock with 10% of the value and you are getting money multiples, right?
Right.
Sometimes it also hurts you. And you should have a capital to trade in a derivative markets. You go to any international markets, you go to anywhere in the world, the minimum capital required for a derivative trade is 2.5 million in your currency.
Right. Right.
Whether you are trading in dollars means you must have a $2.5 million. In India, 2.5 million rupees, 25 lakh rupees you must have.
So if you have 25 lakh rupees as a disposable income to experiment in trading, as a
Yes,
business,
exactly.
then only you should think of getting into this full time.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.